welcome to the start of part 18, I think. This is a new session. And also this video should be going public, or this part should be going public in a few hours. All parts up until now have been made public. The date is the 22nd, so post-apocalypse of course, and it's been about a week since the last time I played the game. And things are going quite well. We're doing decently. And we had just repelled the massive Ito onslaught full stack that they sent at us, which is probably everything they had. And it was probably enough to subdue the Shimizu, but we are more resilient than the Shimizu. Alright, I think I'm going to start by... Yeah, so it was the start of a turn that it saved. So I need to go through all my towns. Right, the Shoni rebels are here. I'm going to have a look at my family tree. That's something that I need to refresh my memory of. Right, so our daimyo is 46 and he has shitty honour. There's been a few comments suggesting or asking if I was going to kamikaze him and get rid of him so that the heir can take his place and do a better job. Where is the heir? That's the heir, right? Yeah, that's the heir. He has personal loyalty of 2. So he wouldn't actually be there. Well, I think it might... I don't know if personal loyalty goes on to become personal honour. Yeah, I should probably have figured that out. This guy has no experience, and he is... Yoshihige, or... Where is Yoshihige then? Yeah, he's here. I put him here so that he could get experience. So my heir is holding the front with the Ouchi, who are the biggest threat at the moment, now that the Ito have been repelled. And he has 3 units of matchlocks, including 1 Otomo matchlock. So I think the north is safe unless they come out of nowhere with 2 full bars, which is possible, but I doubt it will happen. It looks like we have order here in Tsukushi. I'm going to move this unit out and see if it's... Yeah. So I can disband this unit here. So I'm going to do that. And over here, Commissioner for Warfare. And I'm going to make him... This guy has better loyalty, even though he is a turncoat, which is surprising. Yeah, I'm going to send these guys together, and I'm going to repel this army here. Oops. As soon as possible. I need to upgrade to a trade port here. Yeah, trading port I need. My income is really crap. Yeah, it's really low right now. Normal taxes, and that's what I get. Really crappy income. Alright, yeah, my Commissioner for Finance, Godai Takimochi, was the one that repelled the Ito, and he has 3 units left. Three men left in his unit, and every other unit is heavily... Yeah, I'm gonna try and assist in the south actually. I need more matchlocks. Although I've got no money. I should make a missionary. I'm gonna make one here. And I might use him to harass 29 years old, not very good. Okay, so I'm going to use this army here to attack the Ito. I'm going to continue the siege. I'm really surprised that my income is so damn low. Don't know how that happened. don't have much money to spend, so all I can really do is end turn soon. Matchlocks are expensive though. That might explain some of it. Plus, I need to get these trading ships over here in this cotton node. I should probably be aggressive and take out this army here. I think I could do it if I used them all. They're gonna run, and I'm stuck here with most of these men. But I can do this. Alright, I have a small force. I don't know if it'll be enough though. So they have more cavalry, sort of. They have more bow ashigaru, more yari ashigaru, so in order to win this I'm going to have to be smart. Although I do have a unit of yari ashigaru with experience, and I do have inspire, and I can be crafty and use tactics. So once this army's dealt with, then I can make a port, then make trade ships, then take all the trade nodes, then I'll have money to support myself. Then we can attack the mainland of Japan. It's taking a while to load. I'm probably going to attack through the left because there's trees there. Dry. Let's go with dry. The group commands are different in Rome to how they are here, and it's slightly confusing sometimes. They're going to be hiding up, what the fuck, all the way over there, really? Alright, I'm going to start moving towards them. That is bizarre. I don't think I've ever seen that before. I'm going to group my cav as well. What little I have. Yeah, there's our units there, what the fuck. Right, they're camping the hill. I could come in from the left with my bows and then cause casualties and then move in. Although I'm going to have to get them off that hill in order to win, because they have superior numbers as it is. So I can't also let them have the hill advantage. Yeah, this could go wrong quite easily. I'd like to avoid that. I'm gonna sit over here for the moment. My Yari Ashigaru can sit in these trees with my cav behind. I could probably get some shots in if I make the formation shift to face over here, then I'll be able to reach them. Actually, I should go over here with these units. This is sort of a bad idea. I'm going to bring one bow ashigaru over here. I don't want to let my bow ashigaru get trampled by their general. I just had a frame rate drop there. Yeah, I'm gonna have 2 teams of units. Yeah, this is alright. Now this team will sit here while this one moves in and tries to cause some casualties. If I use my Boashigaru well, I should be okay. I'm going to send a general down here as well, actually. The second one. Right, so there's Yari-Ashigaru is over here, vulnerable, exposed. If they charge me, I can pull back. Terrain around here looks really cool. Very mountainous. And the sun is sort of flashing. Lens flare. Alright, I should have a shot at these guys without any fire being returned, although there's a unit there, here and here. They have a very defensive formation. Okay, they're in range. Why they're not firing? Right, they should fire now. Come on. Don't want them to get too close because then these Boashigaru will have a shot. Alright, good, we're getting shots. I haven't researched the technology though for more ammo, and I don't have much ammo. Okay, they're just sitting and taking it right now. I'm gonna go round over here with this strike force. Definitely taking losses to my bows here. Alright, they're charging me. 1 unit at a time and I'll win this battle. Skirmish mode on. They're shaking. Fire, one more volley. Oh yeah. That was a great volley. They're wavering. Charge. We might have this. I want to keep all my Boashigaru alive until they've all used their ammo. If a man dies, he takes his arrows with him. Alright, they're trapped. I might have to use my general to chase these guys. They're moving. Yeah, they're coming with everything else. I need to get out here. Alright, they're getting raped. I really need to catch this unit. Okay, they've been hit quite hard. I need to use the cover of trees now to avoid them doing the same thing to me. Over this side, they're just sitting back, using their Boashigaru as a shield. Okay, they're charging with Cav. No, they're not. This unit has rallied. That's a shame. They've lost half their men though. Okay, the trees. We've got the trees. I'm gonna go up higher though. I want the height advantage that they had at the beginning. And then I'm going to put my Boashigaru behind. Okay, they're running away now. I can move out again. I really want to be careful with this battle. 2 Falo members. The Yari-Ashigaru are back on the flank. And they're coming out. Right, I'm going to try and be aggressive this time and get them. I'm going to run through at the last moment with my Yari-Ashigaru. Pulling back with the bows. Right, they run away again. They keep running away. I'm gonna get shots into the back of them. Boashigaru are coming. Yeah, this is definitely workable. This can work. Now they're charging again, and the bows are coming. Pulling back. They have height and they have more ammo right now. I need to trap these bows. If they separate, then I can charge them and it'll be worth it, but right now it kind of isn't. Alright, if a loose formation charge, then Yariwa, I'll be alright. Okay, they're separated. I've got them. I could use my general to stop them from firing until the Ashigaru get there. Yeah, they have no support for the moment. Right, now pull out, let the Yari Ashigaru do their job, which they will. Yep, we've got them. The Yari Ashigaru are there. My men are tired though, unfortunately. They're wavering. I could get them. Then I could chase these down. I'm gonna fire. Shattered. Okay, now we can chase them down. 2 units for very little. Definitely worth it. Both of my units are tired. I'm gonna inspire the bows and continue to chase these guys down. Oh shit, the cav are coming. Shit. Pulling out. I need to have my Yari Ashigaru block them. Okay, they're not going to get behind in time. Oh no, what are you doing? They turned round. Alright, I've got them, I've caught them. Fucking hell, that was risky. Very risky. My men are all tired. Come on, get that fucking general unit. This unit has 2 XP, that's good.